how to fix Rainbow Six Siege synchronization failed on PS5. I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, you just want to get your phone and search for Ubisoft linked accounts, and then you will select the second option, Ubisoft account. Now once you click on Ubisoft account, then you will need to sign into your account and then choose security here. After you choose security, then what you have to do is scroll down, or rather go and choose two-step verification, and you will click on go to new website. Once you select go to new website, it is going to ask you to sign in again. So we are just going to log into our account. Okay, and now if you scroll down, then you will see linked accounts here. At the very bottom, linked accounts, you will see PlayStation Network, not linked. So you want to click on link and then continue here at the bottom. And this is going to link your Ubisoft account to PlayStation. Now, if that doesn't work for you, we can proceed to the next method, which is going to be going into our settings. So click on settings, then network, settings, set up internet connection. Here you want to press the options button on your controller. First, for the Wi-Fi frequency bands, change this to 5 GHz only. Then go into advanced settings, DNS settings, manual, and you want to type this: primary DNS 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK. This is going to connect you to the internet, and this should fix the issue with Rainbow Six Siege. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.